Alright, so still finding it difficult to calculate your lot size as a gold trader, then you should watch this video to the end. So they trade the market. I trade my namesake. My name is Gold. I'm not just a trader, but a trader who trades only a namesake. Gold and gold. Alright, so before we go over to calculating the lot size, you need to understand the pips movement on XAUUSD. So for every one pip movement here, for every movement here, after the first number after the decimal, it is 1 pip. Like, let's say here goes to 3 instead of 2. That's 1 pip movement on gold. So that's 1 pip movement on gold. If here goes to 201 instead of 200, that is a 10 pip movement on gold. And so if here 2 goes to 210 instead of 201, that is 100 pips movement, and so on and so forth. So you need to understand how the pips move to be able to calculate. Now, going over to the lot size. Now we have what we call the micro lot size, we have the mini lot size, and we have the standard lot size. We have the nano, but for gold, there is no nano, just forget nano. Alright, so for the micro lot size, which is 0.01, alright, so for every pip movement, that's 1 pip here. Immediately this guy changes to 3, and using 0.01, that is 10 cents already reading, either in your favor or against you. Yeah? Either in your favor or against you. The same thing here, when you use 0.1, for every 1 pip movement, you are getting or you are losing $1. Same thing with standard lot size. When you risk 1, for every single pip movement, you are getting $10. And when you use 5 lots on gold, for every pip movement, you are getting $50. Same thing like here, now if you're using 0.05, that is for every pip movement, instead of 10 cents, you'll be getting 50 cents. Do you get? Same thing here too. If you are risking 0.5 here, you'll be getting $5 rather. You'll be getting $5. Yeah, for every pip movement, you'll be getting $5. Same here, you'll be getting 100 and you'll be getting $500. Do you get? So this is the lot size calculation per pips. You need to understand this before we move over to how to calculate our lot size. So we can see this stop here. So for this stop now, we can see 17.22 for the stop. But now, if you want to say how many pips this your stop loss is, you will move this decimal to this place. So your stop loss pips will be 172.2. Do you get? That is your stop loss. This right here is your stop loss. You will just move it by 1 decimal. Just move it by 1 decimal, 17.2. Do you get? And now the easiest way I use to calculate my lot size, what lot size do I want to use? First of all, let me get my calculator. So first of all, now if we want to calculate our lot size here, we use this guy. We use this guy right here, which is 1722. Oh. This is nice. Which is 1722. Yeah. So when we want to calculate our lot size, we do risk, the amount we are willing to risk divided by this guy. So let's say you are willing to risk $100 here. So you're going to do $100. That's the money you are willing to risk per that trade divided by 1722. So you see, this is the lot size you will be using, 0.058. This is the lot size you will be using, or because of 58 cannot enter, to just 0.06 approximately. So this is a simple way to calculate your lot size as a gold trader. There is no max about it. Just remember, how much do I want to risk? Let's say $500. $500. Then what is your come to your prediction to, let me use another one so that it will not just be this one. All right, so let's say we bought gold from here and our stop loss was just here. I'm targeting 1 to 4, 1 to whatever. We don't care about the target, but now you can see our stop loss for this trade is, remember, we'll move the decimal once. We'll move the decimal once. So instead of 15.70, our stop loss will be 157. So that is our stop loss pips, 157. Yeah. That will be our stop loss pips, 157. Now, if we want to now move, like we want to calculate our lot size, what lot size are we going to use? We are going to be using this guy. So that would be, let's say we want to risk $250 per trade. So that would be our risk, which is $250 divided by this guy here, 1570. Do you get? So let's go to the calculator. Let's go to the calculator. 250 divided by 1570, yeah? Yeah. 1570. So this is going to be our lot size. But you know it can't be 159. So you just do 0.16. Yeah. So this is one way to calculate your lot size. Another way to calculate your lot size is by using FS book. So if you go to this site, just type my FS book. If you go to the site, you see this pop up, you click on continue. All right, so you will tap on this icon, this guy right here, you will tap on it for it to open. Then you see calculator here, you tap on the calculator. So after you tap on the calculator, it will open this guy. You see forex calculators. What we are interested in is this guy, this one, position size calculator. So we tap on it. Now coming here, you will just select XAUUSD. You select XAUUSD, then you put your amount, your account, if it's 500, if it's $100. Then here is the risk percentage. If you don't know the percentage, you can swap it to money. Probably you put $50. You get. If you want to know the risk percentage, probably you want to risk 1%. You put 1 there. Do you get? Whatever you want to risk. Let's say in this case now, want to risk 250 because of our last example. Let's see if we'll get the same amount, the same lot size. So this is the risk, 250. No, not the percentage. You risk money. You'll be looking here. Make sure that here is either in money if you want, this area, either in money if you want, or in risk, anyone you want. So now I want the money, so we'll do 250. Then what was the stop loss? I think it was 1570. Yeah. Once you are done with that, don't do anything. You don't alter anything here. Just tap on calculate. And you can see we got 0.16. What did we get in the other one? The same thing, 0.159, which I told you that you approximate to 0.16. So you see, these are the simple ways. Don't stress yourself. Don't stress your little head here. All you need to do is, how much am I risking divided by whatever your position size is telling you. This area, this guy, whatever this guy is telling you, just divide your risk by it. You will get your loss size. This is the simplest way. At times I don't have to go through the stress of position size calculator. I'll just do this, get my loss size, set my target, and but if you still don't want to do that, to avoid making mistake as beginner, you can use this website. So I hope that helped. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification button, and I'll see you in my next video.